Home security is a top priority for families in Lafayette, where homeowners want to feel safe, protected, and confident in the strength of their property. While many people think of alarm systems or outdoor lighting as first-line security features, your windows play an equally important role. Older windows, especially those with failing locks, thin glass, or worn-out frames, can become easy entry points for intruders. Fortunately, new replacement windows offer modern security features designed to keep your Lafayette home safer and more secure. Here's how upgrading your windows can strengthen your home's protection and give you lasting peace of mind. Stronger, more durable window materials. One of the biggest advantages of new windows is the strength of their modern materials. Today's window frames are built to resist warping, cracking, and weakening, common issues in older windows that make them vulnerable. Modern window frames include reinforced vinyl fiberglass aluminum clad systems composite frames. These materials provide structural durability that holds up against weather, aging, and forced impact, making it much harder for intruders to compromise your windows. Advanced locking systems for enhanced protection. Older windows often rely on basic latch locks that can loosen over time. New window designs incorporate high-quality, multi-point locking systems that make forced entry significantly more difficult. Security benefits of modern locking systems. Locks engage at multiple points, not just one. Reinforced hardware resists tampering. Smooth operation ensures the lock fully engages every time. Optional keyed locks or child safety locks add extra layers of protection. For Lafayette families, these improved locks provide stronger resistance to break-ins and better day-to-day reliability. Impact-resistant and laminated glass options. Glass strength is one of the most important aspects of window security. Many new windows use laminated or tempered glass, which is far more resistant to breakage than standard glass panes. Laminated glass benefits. Difficult to break through, holds together even if cracked, reduces risk of injury from shattered glass, adds a sound barrier for quieter indoor living. This type of glass is especially valuable in Lafayette, where seasonal storms and strong winds can test a window's durability. It not only improves security but also enhances overall home safety. Tighter seals and better construction prevent forced entry. Many break-ins occur when intruders pry open older windows with loose sashes, deteriorated seals, or weakened frames. New windows are engineered to fit tightly into the frame and resist forced entry. Improved construction includes secure sash-to-frame connections, reinforced meeting rails, durable weather stripping that prevents movement, stronger anchoring during installation. With fewer weak points, your windows become a much less attractive target. Reduced risk of accidental openings. Families with small children appreciate that new windows come with safety-oriented design features, such as secure ventilation locks and limited opening controls. These features allow windows to open for airflow without becoming safety hazards. Ventilation limiters. Prevent windows from opening wide enough for an intruder. Keep children from pushing windows open beyond a safe height. Add peace of mind while still allowing fresh air inside. This combination of security and functionality is especially helpful during Louisiana's warm months when homeowners rely on windows for ventilation. Professional installation strengthens your home's defense. Even the strongest window won't provide full protection if it isn't installed properly. Professional installation ensures the frame is securely anchored to the wall. Locks and sashes align correctly. Gaps are sealed to eliminate vulnerabilities. The window operates smoothly and securely. A precise installation helps maximize the security features built into your new windows. A smart, effective way to protect your Lafayette home. Replacing old windows with modern, secure designs is one of the most effective steps you can take to enhance the safety of your home. With stronger materials, advanced locking systems, impact-resistant glass, and professional installation, new windows offer peace of mind and long-lasting protection for Lafayette families. If you're ready to improve your home's security while also boosting comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal, new replacement windows are an investment that delivers value every day.